This is the question asked in 2023. In any one of the shifts here, I can say this is the problem of your JEE mains. He's asking us to find out if a particle of certain mass m is raised to certain height, what is the change in the potential energy? This is the basic question. And how are you going to solve this question? We shall discuss here by using a shortcut formula. This is a shortcut formula. You can find this shortcut formula in some of the books if you refer. Now let us go ahead. Now how are you going to solve this problem in fraction of seconds? You can solve this problem without solving the problem. Now just see here. You can just take h is equal to 3r and just substitute the value and get the answer within fraction of seconds. So h is equal to 3r is given. So therefore delta u is equal to, okay, so delta u is equal to mg into 3r divided by 1 plus 3r by r. So okay, so rr gets cancelled. It is going to become mg 3mgr by 4. Okay, so therefore your answer is going to become 3mgr by 4. That's it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.